Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new Monster Dirt starter set with EarthShaker by Spin Master. Welcome back everyone. Today is yet another Monster Jam Monster Dirt starter set video, and this one is with EarthShaker. I just previously reviewed the Zombie starter set, which is brand new as well, and it also comes with 8 ounces of Monster Dirt. So if you guys want to see this review, I will tag it at the end of this video so you guys can check that out. So there's Zombie there, and today is the EarthShaker one, part of the same mix 2 of the Monster Dirt playsets. And this features, again, EarthShaker with 8 ounces of Monster Dirt, a multi-tool, and a little container for that dirt. Also one exclusive EarthShaker monster truck. You can see here all the different things you can do with this. Build it, jump it, smash it, do it again, and of course shows you all the steps. We've seen these steps pretty much every single time I do this, so we're just going to go ahead and skip through that and open up the set. So I actually have it already open, so you can just pull that out here. And here's the EarthShaker truck itself. Classic complaint card. So there's that, and one multi-tool, kind of a charcoal color shovel with a triangle cutter. And inside here, of course, is the Monster Dirt container. And here it is, the Monster Dirt container. It has a crush car in the middle. This is a brand new molding that we have never seen before. You can see here it's got the tire treads and, of course, the crush car in the middle of the ramp. And, of course, it comes with the EarthShaker exclusive truck. And that's actually pretty cool. This is a very similar one to the double pack from Mix 2, I believe, or 3, Mix 3 set of double packs. So this is very close to that. It has yellow rims, a little brighter yellow, kind of matches the body perfectly, and of course the classic Monster Dirt treads. So those are part of the special exclusive look. Also, it has a gray chassis, also a special part of this truck to this pack. And it features, of course, the yellow style ramp here with the Monster Dirt inside, so we'll dump that out and take a little look at it. So you can see here the Monster Dirt by the makers of Kinetic Sand, as I've said in my previous videos, is specially formulated to feel and, you know, hold up like real track dirt from Monster Jam shows. And yes, it does, of course, do the same Kinetic Sand style functions like this. You could pull it apart and it all clumps back together as if it's a magnet. So it's easy cleanup. I do recommend putting it on a hard surface or somewhere where it won't stain, because it does tend to leave some residual brown spots. So I am using an extra piece of paper here on the studio today just to prevent any staining, so please be aware of that. But it is great stuff for hard surfaces that can be easily cleaned. So that's what I recommend for the Monster Dirt. And again, it never dries out. You can always just put it back in its container. It can be used for displays, and of course anything that you want to do with it. So it's pretty much infinite possibilities what you can do with Monster Dirt and different style tracks and replicas. So that's how you mold it back together. You clump it up and put it back in the mold and then dump it back out. And that's a little better than I had before. So you can see there's the crush car and there's the ramp. So the Monster Dirt does hold up really well against playtime. So you can pretty much just really push on it. I'm pushing pretty hard here, and it does hold up for a while before you have to mold it back into a ramp again. And it does allow for different shapes to be made, so you can take it apart and make like a little piece here, a little ramp here or something. So it does allow for a lot of different options in playtime. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff in the comments below. I really like it, and I'm sure a lot of you guys do as well. And until next time, this is Ryan or Monster Jam OCD signing out.